We're staying in the Demo 11 drawing in the Demo 14 project. The Demo 11 drawing is the one we used in the previous video to insert our 3-phase ladder and our 3-phase multiple bus wiring. Now you'll notice I've updated the wire type to make it red. That's just using a new layer and creating a new wire type for this particular drawing. We can add 3-phase symbols to our AutoCAD electrical drawing as well. And the nice thing is they're all parametrically driven. So if I go to the schematic tab here on the ribbon, insert components panel, click on the flyout menu here and select icon menu. So what I've got here now is the icon menu using the JIC Imperial schematic symbols. I click on motor control here and I want my 3-phase motor. And all I'm going to do is pick here on this middle wire. It gives it a component tag. As you can see, I can put all the other details in if I want to. When I click on OK, it's automatically inserted that 3-phase motor because it knows that this is a 3-phase multiple bus piece of wiring. Other sorts of components I can add are things like contacts, switches, but I've got a whole load of 3-phase schematic components that I can add to a drawing. So if we go back to the icon menu again, and I go back to my motor control, I've got a 3-phase starter contacts normally open, a 3-phase starter contacts normally closed, and so on and so forth. So what I'm going to do first is go for a 3-phase starter contacts normally open. I'm going to select the lower wire here. Be careful, can you see that my object snaps are on? Make sure they're off for this one. So we'll just click there, and then I just select on the wire. Otherwise it will snap to the ends of the wire instead of where I place it on the wire. So I click there, build up or down. I want to build that up because that's the lower wire. It updates, and as you can see I've got a component tag there, so I'll just put M100 for now. Click on OK, and there's all the information. Maybe what I should have done there is perhaps update that component to tie in with the motor number. So what I can do here is I can click here, right click, edit component, and what I might want to do there is change that to 1003 and then click on OK. This component has one or more other components tied to it by a dash link line. Update these also. OK. This component may need a cross-reference update. I'm going to cancel that because what I should have done there is when I selected this to edit, I should have done a parent-child relationship. So let's update again. Parent-sibling. Now it is a child component, so if I go there and then select the motor as the parent, it's got old and new because that's an MOT, isn't it? Because it's a motor. Can you see you've got the MOT in the tag? So there's the old M and there's the MOT there on the motor. So I'll OK that now. Component tag update. I OK it there. Update it. Yes, thank you. And it's got a cross-reference update. That's no problem because obviously it's referencing across the 3 wires. But you can see there, look, 1003, 1003, and it's all updated. So you can see how you can add these 3-phase symbols and components to your AutoCAD electrical drawings when you're using things like 3-phase ladders and multiple bus wiring as well.